Welcome to AA First. In this video, we'll show you how to correctly install our reusable filter housing from an installation rail to a mains connected cooler. We will also cover how to flush a new filter and how to replace a used filter candle. Installation should only be done by a qualified installer. If you are not sure about something, please speak to our team of engineers. To professionally install our filter housing, you will need the following components. 1. Filter housing. 1 carbon block filter candle. 1/4-inch John Guest tubing. Cable ties. And 1/4-inch locking clips. Before installation, always shut off the mains water supply. To do this, simply locate the stopcock or isolation valve and turn the handle to the closed position. After the water supply has been shut off, the first step is to install the valved head using the attached bracket and some cable ties. Mount the valved head in your desired location. It should be in close proximity to both the machine and the mains water supply. Before moving on, make sure the valved head is secure and accessible. Now, connect the valved head to the water supply using some 1/4-inch John Guest tubing. Please make sure the water flows into the valved head from the left, labeled inlet, and then out from the right, labeled outlet. Push the tubing firmly into the valved head sockets and secure the tubing with some 1/4-inch locking clips. Take the carbon filter candle and connect it to the screw cap by fitting the whole end of the filter to the screw cap spigot. Once connected, place the candle into the housing body and fasten the screw cap. Now, connect the housing and cap to the valved head by screwing to the right. Before connecting the outlet to the machine, all new filters need to be flushed to remove any excess particles and sediments. To perform a flush, first, make sure you have a bucket or large container to hand. Place the outlet tubing into the bucket, then turn the water supply back on. Water will now flow through the filter and drain out of the tubing into the bucket or container. We recommend flushing all new candles for a minimum of 2 minutes to ensure the filter is thoroughly washed through. To stop the flush, simply shut off the water supply. Empty the wastewater from the bucket or container and connect the outlet pipework to the cooler's water trail. To replace a used filter candle, the first step is to unscrew the housing body and cap from the valved head. This will automatically shut off the water flow. Now unscrew the cap from the body and remove the filter candle. Insert the new filter in reverse order. When you reattach the cap to the valved head, the water supply will automatically re-engage. If you have any doubts about an installation or a filter replacement, please get in touch with a member of our team or visit our website at www.aafirst.co.uk.